Welcome to TP-Link's wireless router installation video. This video is suitable for all of TP-Link's dual band routers as well as our 11N routers. To set up your hardware connection, disconnect and power off your existing router. If you don't have one, continue with the next step. Power off your broadband modem. To do this, disconnect the power cord at the back of the modem. Some broadband modems also have backup batteries to keep the modem on even when the power is off. If your modem has this, remove the backup battery as well. Attach the external antennas on the back of the router. The Ethernet cable coming from the modem is plugged into the WAN or Internet port of the router. Power on the modem by reattaching the power adapter and backup battery if available. Wait for 2 minutes for the modem to get online. Use another Ethernet cable to connect your computer to one of the yellow ports on the router. Before you power on the router, make sure the computer is not connected to any other wireless network. Power on the router and wait until the system LED flashes slowly. Go to any website of your choice to test the internet connection. If you can access the internet via the Ethernet cable, that means all your Wi-Fi enabled devices are able to connect to the wireless network. The default wireless name is TP-Link_2.4 GHz or 5 GHz with 6 letters and numbers behind it. The wireless password can be found on the label at the bottom of your router. If you're having any trouble accessing the internet or want to customize the wireless network, please follow the steps below. Open any internet browser like IE, Chrome, Safari. Type in tplink.login.net into the address bar. A pop-up window will display to prompt you to enter the username and password. The default for both is admin and admin. Let's get you started in the admin panel. Go to Quick Setup to manually configure your internet connection and wireless settings. There are several connection types. The first, Auto Detect, allows your router to automatically detect your connection type. The second, Dynamic IP, is for cable modem connections and connections behind all-in-one modem routers. Static IP is for connections where your ISP has provided you with specified IP parameters. And PPPoE, connections with a username and password provided by your internet service provider. Let's take Dynamic IP as an example, assuming we're using a cable modem. If MAC clone shows up, click No, and then go on. Choose the frequency you want for your wireless network, and then click Next. You can rename the 2.4 GHz wireless network name and create your own wireless password on this page. You can rename the 5 GHz wireless network name and create your own wireless password on this page. The default wireless password is on the router's label. Click Next. Congratulations! You've completed the setup of your TP-Link wireless router. You can highlight and connect to the wireless network. Input the wireless password you just created or the default password on the router's label. You should now be online.